Did you know a college student turned $50 iPhone repairs into a $3 million empire? Jake started in his dorm room, learning repair skills from YouTube videos. He'd buy cracked phones from classmates for $20, fix them with $15 in parts, then sell them for $200 profit. While others partied, he was replacing screens and logic boards every night. Within 6 months, he moved from dorm room to warehouse, processing hundreds of devices weekly. The breakthrough came when he discovered major retailers were buying his refurbished phones in bulk. Suddenly, he wasn't just fixing individual devices, he was their wholesale supplier. He built automated systems for buying, repairing, and flipping thousands of phones monthly. iPhone 11s netted him $80 profit each, while older models still brought in $40. Today, he processes 50,000 devices annually with 25 employees. What started as a side hustle became a tech empire. Sometimes the biggest opportunities are hiding in plain sight. Download the free guide to Wealth in Bio